Today here we are here at Jantar Mantar. The Jantar Mantar is a collection of 19 architectural astronomical instruments built by Rajput King Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur, Rajasthan. The monument was completed in 1734. It features the world's largest stone sundial and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located near City Palace and Hawa Mahal. The instruments allow the observation of astronomical positions with the naked eye. This is Yantra Raj, that is Astrolabe. The instrument is used for measuring ascendance, altitude, time and the position of the sun and that of some other celestial objects in the sky. It can also be used in the computations of celestial positions and their changes. Laghu Samrat Yantra, in English we can call it as small supreme instrument, is a sundial that can give the time to an accuracy of 20 seconds. So here we have two. We have 3 parts of 15 and 5 parts of 5. Then it's 2, 15, 15, 30, 35, then 40, 41, 42, 43 and it's 44. 244 plus 26 and it's 311, the exact time. Guys, this is the Dhruv Darshak Pattika. From here, this is like a modern compass and we use it in the night, and in the observatory we have a few instruments which can only be used in the night. So this is the Dhruv Darshak Pattika. From here we see the pole star, which is the brightest star, and it is always in the north. So we can just see that is the north. Now we have south, east, and then that's the west. So this we can use it as a modern day compass. Nadi Valay, in English we call it as circular dial. The Nadi Valay has 2 circular plates facing north and south, which are its dials. The wall of the plates is inclined towards the south at such an angle that the instrument remains parallel to the plane of the Earth's equator. These are 2 circular dials. This one works in the winter and that one works in summer. This one is for summer. This is Jai Prakash Yantra. It was invented by Savai Jai Singh II, so it is named after him. And here we have 6 zodiac signs, and we have the other half that are the other 6 zodiac signs. And when we get it together, we get all our 12 zodiac signs. But it was divided in half, like 6 zodiac signs here and 6 zodiac signs here. This was also divided in 2 parts as it has ways to go inside and see more accurately. To get more specific about their zodiac signs, Maharaja Savai Jai Singh made these 12 zodiac houses.
ये चक्र यंत्र है, लेकिन अभी कार्य नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि इसको यहाँ से लॉक कर दिया गया है। पहले घूमता था ऐसे जैसे, लेकिन लोग आगे इसको बैठ के झूला झूले बंद कर। क्या करता है, सूर्य के सामने घुमाएंगे, जो दोनों आएंगे ले घुमेगा, फिर एक लाइन में आएगा, उसके बाद होल में तीन का शेडो सीधा रिंग के ऊपर 23 डिग्री एंड हाफ सदर्न, 23 डिग्री एंड हाफ नॉर्दर्न। इंक्लेशन डिक्लेशन अर्थ का पोजीशन, सन का पोजीशन। सूर्य कितना डिग्री नॉर्थ या साउथ में है। मीडियम सन नॉर्थ में 21 जून, सदर्न में 22 दिसंबर, 21 मार्च और 23 सितंबर को सूर्य इक्वेटर पर, तो रोड का सूर्य इक्वेटर। इसमें मान लेता है सीजन्स, डेट्स, मंथ्स, etc। ये मॉडल है, वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है। ये कपाली यंत्र है जो अपने देखा ना जयप्रकाश, सेम इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, सेम फंक्शन है। जैसे आप घुमाएंगे तो शेडो नीचे उतरेगा, तो वो वाला पार्ट वर्क करेगा। 1 घंटे वर्क करेगा, 1 घंटे वो वर्क करेगा।
In Jantar Mantar, this is a point where we can have snacks, and that is some gift and souvenir shop. That's it.